Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable your read and receipt on iMessage. So first you go to settings and then you scroll down and then you look for messages, and then so just tap on messages, and then there it says scroll down and then says send read receipts. So when this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enable read receipts for our conversation. So now if I go back to iMessage, there I can't see if my friend there has seen it or not. So that's it for today. I hope it's useful and thank you for watching.